Welcome back to Runman Records Design. Today we show you tiny backyard design ideas, landscaping, design and tips. Transforming a tiny backyard into a functional and stylish outdoor oasis can be a rewarding design challenge. With strategic planning and creative solutions, even the smallest outdoor spaces can be maximized to create a beautiful retreat right at home. In this video, we explore innovative ideas and practical tips for designing and optimizing small backyard spaces. From clever storage solutions to vertical design elements, discover how to make the most of your compact outdoor area with these inspiring design strategies. Maximizing small spaces, tiny backyard design tips, optimizing light efficiency. Get strategic with your layout. Consider creating zones for different activities, like a cozy sitting area or a mini garden nook. Creative storage solutions for a small backyard. Vertical garden walls. Reach for the skies with vertical garden walls. Hang planters on fences or walls to maximize green space and add a touch of nature to your compact backyard oasis. Hidden storage benches. Snacky storage is the name of the game. Opt for benches that open up to level space for cushions, gardening tools, or even a stash of outdoor games. Incorporating vertical elements for visual interest. Vertical planters and trellises. Think up, not out. Install trellises for climbing plants or hang vertical planters to add height and visual interest to your tiny backyard. Go ahead, let your garden grow tall. Hanging gardens and potted plants. When in doubt, hang it out. Create a floating garden with hanging baskets or suspend potted plants from overhead structures. It's a great way to add a touch of whimsy and greenery to your outdoor space. Choosing the right furniture for small outdoor areas. So, you've got a cozy little outdoor space that you want to turn into your own personal oasis. But how do you make it stylish and functional without feeling cramped? Folding and stackable furniture options. When space is at a premium, folding and stackable furniture become your new best friends. These handy pieces can be easily tucked away when not in use, giving you more room to twirl around with joy, or do a little victory dance because you nailed her tiny backyard design. space-saving seating and dining sets. Who says you can't have guests over for a backyard so reduced because your space is small? Opt for space-saving seating and dining sets that are designed to fit snugly in compact areas. Stay tuned for more brilliant ideas on how to transform your tiny backyard into a little slice of paradise. In conclusion, with the right approach and a touch of creativity, small backyard spaces can be transformed into inviting and functional outdoor retreats. Friends, thank you for watching. If you liked his beautiful tiny backyard ideas, please share with your friends. You watched the Design and Decor channel, Runman Records Design.